In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip Gojo in Saitama Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Gojo, or the Sorcerer, and how you can access him as a character in Saitama Battlegrounds. So the first thing that I want to showcase is that if you try to join a public server like this one, and you go into the characters, you will be able to browse through all of these, and you will notice that the Sorcerer is nowhere to be seen. And the only way to make him appear is if we join a private server. So that's the first warning that I have to make before going forward with this video. While you can acquire and use Gojo, aka the Sorcerer, you will not be able to do it in public games. It is exclusive to private servers. In here, if you go over to character, now you will be able to find Sorcerer. So if you rewind the video and you look between the martial artist and KJ, you wouldn't be able to find Sorcerer here, but now it is available. And if you click this option, it's going to offer you to acquire Private Servers Plus. So this is what you need in order to access Gojo or the Sorcerer. After you acquire this, you will be able to do all the usual moves. So of course you have M1s, you have Infinity, and you have a bunch of other attacks. Sadly, for this video, I'm not going to be able to showcase him, but essentially this is all you have to do to equip Gojo. And keep in mind that, like I said, it is currently impossible to officially play him in public servers. As of today, he is exclusive to private servers, and usually if you see someone playing as him on a public server, it's because they got through with some sort of exploit or glitch, and those usually are fixed. It is safe to assume that he will become available eventually, but if he doesn't, you will have to purchase the Private Servers Plus subscription to access Gojo in Saitama Battlegrounds. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip Gojo in Saitama Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.